This is the big play to Alvin Kamara he got for about 50 yards against the Bears. They're going to be in man free, which means Eddie Jackson will have the biggest vertical threat, and he gets to choose who he's going to cover. So whoever's going to cover Alvin Kamara in man ends up in the game being Mack and Gibson. These two guys get confused on it. So let that roll. As you can see, they showed in the game, these two guys, if you look right here, not sure who to take Kamara on. He does a great fang route, kind of across the middle there, and it's going to be wide open. As we make this go a little faster here, you see Eddie Jackson's nowhere to be found. And we'll see on the next play where he ends up at. We're actually in the replay. So look kind of show where he ends up. And Jackson ends up kind of drifting this way and kind of taking this big vertical threat right here, but he's not there. So by the time he gets to be able to cut back to where Kamara's at, he'll know where he has the angle on him. He's a good 15, 20 yards away. So not quite sure what threat he saw there with Johnson's receiver, but apparently must have been a big one.